Hello everyone, this video is about how to create or amend purchase order. So first we will go to purchase order, then we have to go to vendor purchase order form, click on manage. Then you can see there is two tabs, one is view PO and second one is create or amend PO. So we have to go to create or amend PO. Then after that you have to select location from drop down. You have to select purchase order type. There are two types of purchase order. One is direct PO and another one is open PO. We have to select open PO. We will go with open PO. Then you can see here there is purchase order date and purchase order expiry date. It is already predefined coming purchase order date as current date, today's date. Then you will be creating PO, and expiry date you can change according to your work. Then after that click on get all vendor button to get all the details for which we have to create vendors. Here you can see select vendor, then we have to select vendor for which we have to create PO. We are selecting Tube Investment of India Limited. Then click on next button to proceed further. Here you can see add products. We are in add product stage, in which already location and PO type, PO date and PO expiry date, it is already filled previously. And here in add product stage we have to select currency. Here we are selecting Indian rupee. Then after that we have to add product. We have to click on add more button. We have to select product group. After selecting product group, here we have to select purchase product. Here that product will come which whose RFQ is already done and it is approved, whose RFQ is done and it is approved. That product only we have to it will come in drop down. If you are creating first time PO, then that pop-up will become. Then product rate is that it is like mm, the currency which you have selected here. According to that currency only the product rate will become, as we have defined FX rate in RFQ. FX rate is like if we have defined over there a dollar, then according it's like according $1 it is 80 rupee INR. So according to that FX rate, here product rate will be shown, which we will enter here. Then there is one condition: rate must be lower than RFQ rate. Then product unit bags is, it is already it will come after selecting this purchase product, and HSN code will be already selected. Then then after that you have to then after that after filling all the details, you have to click on add button to proceed further. Then after that you can see the product has been added, this name with all the product unit, product rate, HSN code, cutoff date. And then if you want to add more product, here click on add more button. Then if you don't want to add, then you have to click on next button to proceed further. Here it is payment terms. The next stage is payment terms, in which credit payment term type is credit days. Credit days is like within how many days your payment will come, like right. Then we have to mention number of credit days. Within this 25 days, within this credit days, your payment will be done. Then click on next button. uh, it is terms and condition stage. Here general terms and condition, it is the like terms and condition of the company which is already mentioned. And if you want to add any special term and condition, then we have to click here add more button. We have to mention our terms and condition, what term, in what terms we are giving, or what are the other specific terms and conditions are there, you have to mention over here. Then after that, clicking on add button, your terms and condition will be added. Then after this, uh, filling all the details, click on submit for approval button. Here pop-up message will be shown for confirmation whether are you sure the entered details are correct. Then proceed with yes, proceed. Here you can see, then your it is submitted. Then if you want to add approver, you have to click on add buttons. You can select you can add multiple approvers, it is mentioned over here. You have to add minimum 3 approvers. And if you want to upload document, click on here and choose file from here and click on add button, then close. Here you can see that your PO is generated successfully. If you want to like add approver or make another PO, you can click here. And if you want to add PO approvers, you can click on this button. That's it.